In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your Google Analytics account and connect it with your WordPress website. To get started, go to googleanalytics.com, click Start Measuring, and complete the setup steps as you see in the video here. You'll fill out all the information regarding your business and website. If you haven't set up a Gmail account, you'll need to do so to set up your GA property. At this step, we can choose to install the Google tag with WordPress or install it manually. For this video, we'll be doing it with the WordPress plugin and following the on-screen instructions. Heading over to our WordPress dashboard, we'll go to Plugins and we'll type in SiteKit by Google. Once you've found the plugin, you'll want to install it, activate it, and connect your Google account with the plugin. The reason for using this method of setup is not only because it makes it easier, but because it's the official plugin made by Google, which means it'll always be up to date and connect easily with other Google tools like Google Tag Manager. After establishing the connection between the WordPress plugin and our Google Analytics account, we'll go back to our Google Analytics to verify that our connection has been created. We'll do this by going to View Tag Instructions, scrolling down to the bottom, and scanning our website to see that we've connected the two properties correctly. It's important to remember that it may take up to 48 hours for data to populate your dashboard properly.